So why are we building a ramp, right? One, it's quarantine time. So if ever somebody needed a ramp at home in order to bash and in order to have fun with, it's right now. That's why we're videoing this. That's why we're sharing it. You give some ideas, some creative spark out there so that if you're also stuck at home, which you probably should be based on the world events right now, maybe this will spark your ideas. You'll get to go make your own ramp. You'll still get to go have fun with your RCs even while you're stuck at home. But part two is if you really watch this channel, you'll know that I already have a ramp that looks almost exactly like this one. Why am I building another one? Well, that's because of the Rich D RC. So Rich D, I made a stunt ramp for him year and a half ago, something like that. Yeah, it wasn't out of pressure treated materials, and so it rotted. And so he doesn't have a stunt ramp right now. If you watch his channel, you'll see he does all sorts of crazy stunts, backflips and triple flips and all sorts of silliness that I don't even know what it is. But his ramp rotted. He needs a new one. This is gonna be for the Rich D. sneaking through the Rich DRC's neighborhood. So, is that their house? Nobody's there. Oh, this is gonna be, oh, this is too bad. Nobody's at the Rich D house, but that makes it easy for us to dump it off.
This is awesome. That is gonna go very high. I like that. This looks like family. Thank you.